Hello my friends, this is Earth versus Mankind for weather and disasters. A severe supercell storm hit northern Rhône with hailstones up to 4 centimeters in diameter, causing significant damage to homes and vegetation. In Fleury, 50 millimeters of rain fell in 1 hour, raising concerns about the damage to the vineyards. Around 2,000 lightning strikes were recorded in the area north of the Rhône. Local authorities are assessing the impact and coordinating relief efforts. In the south of Mayenne, the Udon River has overflowed, causing significant flooding. The water level in the Udon River has reached 3.2 meters, putting it under a red alert. The Flood Public Information Service urges residents affected by this warning to stay home. An orange alert has also been issued for flooding in 2 departments, Indre and Cher. Authorities are closely monitoring the situation and advising caution. At the end of this video, thank you very much for watching it. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more weather and disasters news.